I've just found a secret indicator on TradingView that gives perfect breakout signals by leveraging SMC concepts. Then, I use DeepSeek to code a TradingView strategy to prove its strong profitability, to discover its name, and unlock our private settings. Watch every part of the video attentively. Today, we will also show how you can access our top-notch indicator, QuantAlgo, to take your trading to the next level. With that, let's dive in and explore the basics and overall logic behind the next-gen smart money breakout indicator. This cutting-edge trading indicator is designed to identify key structural shifts and breakout opportunities in the market, leveraging a blend of smart money concepts like break of structure and change of character. The fundamentals of this indicator are quite simple. It identifies the previous swing high with green lines and the previous swing low with red lines, with their breakouts serving as a trigger event. The indicator also prints 3 dashed lines that serve as potential take-profit levels. For trading rules, when the SMC breakout indicator prints a green label, it acts as an early signal to enter a long trade. Voila, the price surged, delivering insane profits. In a bearish case, when the SMC breakout indicator displays a red label, it indicates an opportunity to go short. Boom, the price tumbled, earning us profits even in a bear market. Now, I've pasted its script into DeepSeek and requested it to code conditions for going long when the label is green and short when it is red. To add this mind-blowing tool, open the Indicators tab, search for Smart Money Breakout, and add this one to the chart. Still, we may experience a lot of fake breakouts during the consolidation phase. The easiest way to minimize the chance of it is by using our optimal settings, which will be unveiled in the final part of the video, so stay tuned. For now, let's explore another method to boost the accuracy of our breakout signals. Before we continue, we want to share with you our top private indicator, QuantAlgo, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access QuantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this algo, will put you at a disadvantage. The confirmation tool we use combines several popular technical indicators, pivot, RSI, MACD, EMA cross, and numerous other EMAs, into a dynamic oscillator that analyzes price trends and reversals. So, to validate a buy signal from the SMC indicator, all points of the indicator should be green. Similarly, to confirm a sell signal from the breakout indicator, all indicator points must be red. Boom! Check out its insane ability to filter out tons of false signals. Return to DeepSeek, paste the script, and request the coding of confirmation conditions for going long when all key parameters are green and for going short when all are red. To add this filter, go to the Indicators menu, type 10 indicators in one, and select this option. Its optimal settings will be revealed soon. At this stage, we combined 2 previous codes from DeepSeek and requested it to create a TradingView strategy with a stop loss below the recent swing low in a bull case and above the recent swing high in a bear case, while targeting a 1-for-1 RR ratio, for example. Here are examples of complete trades. Let's now see the backtesting results. Here's gold on a 15-minute time frame, demonstrating the performance of just the SMC indicator using default settings, which are not too bad, but there is room for improvement. With that, open the Settings menu, change the Market Structure Time Horizon to 59, set the time frame for indicators at 1 hour, and activate the 10-in-1 filter. Bingo! We have a much better picture. We got a really incredible win rate of 72.2%, while our net profit was a staggering 266%. And this occurred over just 36 trades. Moving on, the strategy boasts a solid profit factor of 2.891 and an adequate max drawdown of around 31%. The equity curve appears flawless. As always, you can access the strategy script using the link provided below.